What is going on, dudes and Foxy Dudettes? Today I have Foxy Dudette Sarah with me. Welcome back.
Hello.
Hello. We're going to be going over Icon from Pete and Pedro. We're going to find out if it's girl approved, so stay tuned. What's going on, guys? We are back again with another fragrance video. If fragrance is your thing, please be sure to like and subscribe. Really helps us out. We're a small channel trying to grow. And without any further ado, let's hop into it. So, Icon is the newest fragrance from Pete and Pedro. And every time they come out with a new fragrance, I always have...
Yours truly.
Yep. Come on and let us know if it's girl approved. Now, we're going to do that with all the available fragrances from Pete and Pedro. If you guys remember, Hero and King have been discontinued, so they're no longer available. So we're only going to go over 4 today. But first things first, let's try Icon. So, how have you been?
Good. I'm ready to do some sniffing. It's been a while.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Just let it breathe for a second. Okay. Ooh, I like that. That smells like fresh.
Exactly what they're going for.
Yes, very fresh, airy, clean. I like that.
Cool.
Yeah.
If you guys remember, Icon is inspired by Creed Millésime Impérial.
That means nothing to me.
Millésime Impérial is a niche fragrance from Creed. It's about $350 to $400 a bottle, depending.
Oh my Lord.
Now, you've seen me test out the original one. You can see that video here, but you know, $400, under 50.
Yeah, I'd go with this for under 50 for sure.
Now, if you guys are looking,
smells really good. Cool.
If you guys are going for note breakdowns, I handled that in another video, so we're not going to handle that here. We're just finding out if they're girl approved, if you know, a girl's gonna like them. So far,
a girl likes them.
Okay.
This girl likes them.
Next up is Legend. This is inspired by, well, from Tom Ford's Effing Fabulous.
Ooh, I like that name. I like the bottle.
Gold, right?
I know,
it's cool.
It's flashy.
Yeah, very cool. All right, let it breathe and then
take a whiff.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that one's it's musky.
Okay.
I mean, it's nice, but it's definitely like way different than that other one. I would say like complete opposite spectrums.
Yeah.
Like that one's fresh and clean, and this one is definitely, it's like more, I don't know, reminds me of like old money.
That's fair. I've heard that a lot. I'm still wondering what old money smells like.
It
But
smells like this.
Okay.
I'm thinking like an old man with lots of money.
It's a nice powdery note in there that works really well. I own both Effing Fabulous and obviously this, and I like this one better just because Effing Fabulous is very dry. This is like sweet. It has a sweet opening. Almond is one of those notes, and it's just kind of like a dry note that I don't think works very well for Effing Fabulous at first. But for this, like out of the bottle, I think it works great.
Yeah. Now that you like say powdery, yeah, that's like a good word. Not bad. Not shabby.
And if you're looking for the video where I compared Effing Fabulous to Legend, you can find that here. Next up, we're going to go with Villain. This is inspired by Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille. And,
oh, I think I like this one.
You do. I remember.
This one was like one of my favorites. Mm-hmm. When you said Tobacco Vanilla, I'm like, oh, yeah.
do we need to stop it?
Ooh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, my God. Just spray it on me. That smells really good. Oh my God, yes.
Do we need to take a break?
Yes.
Okay.
Just give me the bottle and give me 10 minutes.
Okay.
No, I think this is my favorite.
So far?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's really good. It's like, yeah, it's like tobacco vanilla. Is there some lavender maybe?
Possibly.
Maybe? I don't know. It smells really good. Like, yeah, it smells good. That's all I can say.
Again, tobacco vanilla is like, $3.50 for a bottle, roughly, under 50. Can't go wrong. I was going to say that we're going to give a ranking. Well, she's going to give a ranking for these at the end of the video, but
I think this one.
Yeah, we still got, one more. So
no, this one is, it smells so good.
We're going to take a couple minute break. Last but certainly not least, we have Rebel. Inspired by Creed Aventus. Creed Aventus is probably one of the most notorious colognes. Still coming in at like $350 to $400 a bottle. But if you've tried it, it's definitely worth it. But this comes in again at under 50. So
let's give it a try. I know it's got some pretty stiff competition. Oh, I do like the smell of that. Completely different than the others that we just tried. Completely different than that vanilla tobacco one. I like that. It is, I don't know, it's more like a daytime fragrance, I feel. It's not like musky at all. It's very like fresh, citrusy, floral.
There's a bit of pineapple in it.
Pineapple. Okay. I was gonna say a summer fragrance, so. I like it. It smells good. I mean, it doesn't want me to, it's not as good as that vanilla tobacco one, but it's a good solid A-okay. Yeah, I like that one.
Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to let them dry down for a few minutes, and then we're going to come back, let her smell the dry down, and give her rating, and we'll see you guys in a few. I'm going to spray some of this on me right now, though. Okay, we took like a 10-minute break. We let them dry down. Now we're gonna let her smell them again, and she's gonna give a numeral rating.
All right. Go? We'll start with, what did I start with first? Legend. Still old man money.
Okay. What's the rating?
Out of 4.
Well, let's do out of 10.
Oh, out of 10? I give this one it's like a 5.
A 5?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fair.
Okay. 10's the best, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next I got Rebel. I like this one. I'll give it like a 6 or 7.
6 or 7?
Yeah.
That's lower than what you gave it before. That's interesting. Yeah. It's fair.
I mean, I like it better than this one.
Okay.
But I know which one I really like. Okay.
This video is kind of anticlimactic, but...
I know. Icon. I like Icon.
Okay.
This one's good. This is that's like a 9.
9? Okay.
Yeah, I like that one a lot. That one is in a good, it's fresh and airy. I like it. Vanilla. Villain, I mean. I thought it said vanilla. This one's my favorite. This gets like a 12.
It's really your favorite? I didn't know.
Yeah.
I couldn't tell.
This one's my absolute. I thought I wrote vanilla. It says villain. See, that's how good it smells. I can't even read anymore. Yeah, that's like a 12 or 20, something. It's up there.
It's up there?
Yeah.
Okay, it's not even on numbers anymore?
No. No, that one's good. I smell more like tobacco out of it now.
Okay.
But it still smells really, really good.
That makes sense. With the dry down, the notes change a little bit.
Yeah.
Plus, body chemistry has a big thing to do with that, too. So, keep that in mind, guys.
So, yeah, that is it.
Okay. So, your favorite is Villain.
Yes. Villain, followed by Icon, their latest and greatest, followed by Rebel, and followed by Old Man Money Legend.
They'll never be able to see that, but okay. Now, the grand question is, are they all girl approved?
I would say yeah. They're all girl approved. I don't think you could go wrong with any of these. Like I said, Icon I think is more like, I don't know, feels like more like a summery spring fragrance. Villain, you could wear that anytime. Anytime. Legend feels like a nighttime fragrance. And Rebel could go anytime. It could go anywhere, any season, anytime. Yep.
I would agree, and that's pretty spot on. So,
Why, thank you.
yeah, you're welcome. Okay, so that answers it, guys. Icon is girl approved, along with the rest of them, especially Villain.
Yes.
So, with that being said, thank you.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Oh, anytime. So, want to impart any words of wisdom on the guys? I always have the guest.
Oh, words of wisdom. Don't be late. If you say you're gonna be somewhere at a certain time, you sure as hell better be there and on time. I can't stand lateness.
Okay.
Yeah, that's about it.
That's a good tip. Okay. So with that, thank you again.
Yeah.
So guys, we will see you next time, but please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the social media things. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm, ring the bell. Be sure to check out thewellroundeddude.com. The website is really the hub of everything we do here. You can find links to the 5 most recent episodes of our podcast. You can find our Amazon storefront where I've curated some really cool items for you guys, and you can find our merch page, and you can save 15% with the discount code DUDE15. So we will see you guys next time. Take care. Peace.